Jesus Christ, come like say me not get through for today. But okay guys, so happy Sunday. We are at Zotalo Fish Market. Push. Is it closed? There you go. Ben Wagwan, hi. Oh my god. How you doing, Pally? Happy Sunday, Wagwan. Welcome in, guys. How are we doing today? Thank you for the thumbs up. Guys, me not tell a lie. Come like so we have to go order first. And then me bring on the round because due to other places are busy. Me do that right now, yeah. Good morning, guys. Let me see what they got. Rice. Yeah, they are in the cold, not true. Let's see what they got, guys. Wanna feel for today. We are at Zocalo. That's where we are. Fish market and grill. Thank you for the thumbs up. Me feel for fish. Me feel for snapper. So me think say we are gonna get a red snapper. Let me see what else them have. Oh, yo, Wagwan Ashton. No new account. Hi. See what them have here, so. Jesus Christ, watch nice ribs. Oh wow. And that look like some form of fish with black beans, yellow rice. Kind of soup them have seafood soup. Oh, that not bad. That not look bad. Yeah, let's order. Hi. Do you have snapper? Yeah. Can I get a fried snapper? Okay. And I'll just do a side of you have plantains? Yeah, sweet. And what kind of juice do you have? Pineapple, cucumber, and white rice butter. I'll do. Oh, I'll take a Heineken. All right, I'll do the pineapple with the cucumber juice. Yeah, let me do that instead. Here, we have space. Yeah, I'll wait. I'll be here. Oh, we're here? Ah, I'm so sorry. Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you. Okay, I just put this anywhere out there. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. That's nice. Thank you, guys. Wow. Mama. All right, I think I will go here. Guys, the place, it is so busy. It is so busy. Thank you so much for being here. The juice that we got, we have cucumber, Where should it say again? Cucumber pineapple? Something like that. So, which country? I'm from Jamaica. Thank you guys. All right, but I had to order because it's so busy. So I'll just put this here and make me show no the inside of the fish market now. How did I get my thumbnail? Um, I've been here before. So this is actually the thumbnail is actually a photo of this place. Yes. One of my favorite places to get red snapper fried fish. Okay, so anybody ever eat octopus? God almighty, look at guys. Okay, so they have cooked crawfish, octopus, shrimp, you know see? Squid. So if you want to get like a freshest form of seafood, like when I tell you about seafood for real in a real life, yeah, I guess so. But the squid octopus can't do it. They're too smart, really. All right, so they have golden fillet, fresh shark. Ooh. Salmon. They said the L is silent. Yeah, babe. Sea bass, swordfish, lion, kingfish steak. No, man. I know, right? They have a bunch of stuff here. This is what I love about this place. So good. Tilapia. All the beans, pigeon peas, red peas, pink peas, everything. Over here they have call this clams. So they have some fish there. Stew peas with pigtail. Ooh, that's what you're having? Fantastic. Clams. They have snapper there. Whole mullet. I always hear about mullet. I never try mullet before. Over here, so I think here, so they have what am I? Oysters. Oysters. The great red snapper. Look how them snapper, the big guys. Jesus Christ. Huge. Yeah. Ooh, parrotfish. Give me a good parrotfish steam. It is so good. Oh, you have school tomorrow? Yeah. Back to reality. Over here too, they have lobster, oysters. Already prepackaged for them. We are them ahead of time. And them have like them fresh peppers, ginger. See there? Good old ginger, garlic. Like it is originally a market, guys. Yellow yam. You want to make your soup and them thing there. Yellow yam, yellow plantains. Look, they're fresh, nice plantain. Green plantains too. Onions and all that. They have saltfish. Hey, Akia saltfish. Nice. This place is nice. Lime, lemon, bell peppers, different color. See, fish for days. Fish for days. And rat it in here. So it's blue crab. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Banana, sweet potato. It is nice. I do like this place. Oh, wow. Crab legs, if you want to do a seafood boil. Lobster tail, shrimp, all that stuff. Let me go at the back, go sit down in our car. We're waiting on our food. My octopus. You know how to cook octopus? So in our Saudi restaurant, I done shown already with them. Wow, nice, but yeah. Let me get my son. Everybody else will come and already want. Respect the people in privacy. Yeah. Ooh, it is so cool. Not am I good? Thank you, Drew. Thank you, thank you. Wow, thank you guys. I can't wait for my food to reach. I tell you the truth. You not hear me? No, the other people them who sit down and eat behind me. You know. So at least nobody not there behind me, just me alone. Hey Savannah, Wagwan. How you doing? It is not too busy today. What? What you saying on you? Stop it. You lie. You lie. Achoo. I come here, I get older, I know. My birthday is coming up. Alright, Simonette. Big up yourself. Thank you for always stopping by. I appreciate you. Achoo. Yeah, it's growing. It's growing. Guys, we're waiting on our fry snapper. I am so excited. And drinking cucumber juice with, I think, pineapple. Rockstar Wagwan. So yeah. Sunday dinner. Done dairy creamer. It is so refreshing. It is so refreshing. But guys, my birthday is coming up, and where do you guys think I should go for my birthday? Do you have any suggestions? Do you have any suggestions? You from Poland? No. You're on your way. You're going to see Beetlejuice? Okay, then I'm on. Love that, love that, love that. Hola, sweet stuff. Hi. We'll go to India. Oh my God. India, man. I would love to visit India for the food. It's the food for me. Who don't know that? Every day is our birthday. That is so true. That is so true, Jesus. That is so true. But the place is nice. The last time I've been here was maybe a year ago or so, and I never did so busy. But I guess now people, excuse me, people are hear about it more. So and the food is really good, so you have to come back and one stuff big up. So I guess maybe that's the reason. Guava. It's been a while. They normally have guava juice too, but they never have that one there today. You see, they have one with like rice juice. I said we're not gonna do this. After me don't tell them about porridge, them say them rice juice. Them said to me, not sure. They have to go down. I said no. Some jerk chicken, they not have that. Them have go to Trinidad and Tobago and try their KFC. Oh my gosh. You know, so make yourself Trinidad and Tobago KFC actually tastes good, but I am yet to try it. I have to go try. Thank you, Vahid. So excited, I can't wait for my food. But I also hear say Jamaican KFC alone have barbecue. We're drinking over here. Oh wow. Excuse my chapter. Thank you, Nagi. Thank you. Guys, a good thing. They come out in my sweater or my hoodie. I pull over because the place kind of chilly. The windy bad. Hey, lovely. From a place where they say they have the best KFC and the second July. Divine, big up yourself. You can get one man. You're from Korea. You're from where? In my head wants to say Costa Rica. French Island. Thank you. Nice. Where's everyone from? I know I have people from Jamaica. But where's everybody else from? Where are you watching from? Where you see my stream from? Country of Napoleon. I love Napoleon ice cream. I love Napoleon ice cream. Oh my gosh. Have you tried Nando's? No, haven't. You're from South Africa, Cape Town. Aye, big up. Louisiana. Love Louisiana. Big up New Orleans, Austria. Never been to Austria. Love Louisiana. Love their shrimp po' boys and jambalaya. And their chalk grilled oysters. Fab. Ohio, Seattle, big up France. Okay, baby. No, I control my life. I have no mouth. Thank you, London. Big up. All good. Cool. So, Philippines. Sivanet, you have to tell me about the KFC in Trinidad. I trust your judgment. You're there all the time. Is the gumbo and the jambalaya the same thing? Is it the same thing? The middle of the ocean. Not funny. And thank you for everyone. It's not okay. Then no, I haven't tried it. Stop and smile. Hi. Oh, all is well. We're here waiting on our food. We're waiting on our fish. Fried fish. So excited. That is good. Big up yourself. Big up. Right? Oh, stop and smile. I ordered fried fish and they have It comes with veggies and also potatoes, and then I got some plantains on the side. Guys, I think plant is the best side ever. You can't go wrong with plantain. Love from St. Lucia. Catch my drift. Big up, big up. Hi, Gate. Hi. Welcome in, welcome in. Venezuela. Yes, plantain. A type of fish, it is red snapper. Yes. Hopefully me get a decent size. It's a red snapper. Yeah. Oh, you are? Oh, that's good, Olive. Big up yourself. It's always good to travel. I hope you're enjoying your time in the ocean. Love plantains. Really, James? Well, you got to stick around to see it and see if it is too or like it, because you know sometimes everybody say them can fry fish and make fish and side eye. KFC excellent. I prefer Camp's chicken, church chicken, and tuna chicken. Really? Really? I don't like too much. I don't like red snapper too much skin. Really? Catch my drift? Kasha, I welcome in. Trying my dinner right. Okay, yes, if you fry fish, I do prefer snapper. For steamed fish, I prefer parrot fish because it's so fleshy and nice, and I love it. Sweet stuff. You prefer red mullet? When I did the tour earlier, I saw they had mullet in there, and I'm like, wow. Them face kind of look away, but I mean, maybe it tastes good because you know they basically season themselves. Make sure mullet like have a whole heap of flavor. Good afternoon, Daniel. Come to St. Lucia. They have good sea bass. Ooh. Sea bass. Sea bass. I don't know if we ever have sea bass before. Yeah, the face kill me. We're having red snapper. We're having fish today. Fried fish with veg and plantains, fried ripe plantains. Yeah, and we have cucumber juice, cucumber pineapple juice. Your favorite is shark? I've never tried shark before. I've never had shark. Yeah, Tasha. Your cousin always a fight about who's gonna eat the fish eyes. Oh my gosh. You know, so I heard that fish eye have a lot of benefits. A lot of benefits. Shout out to them. Shark is nice, so is dolphin. Wanna eat dolphin? Dolphin come like, why you know would I eat dolphin? It come like just some things not for eat. It just come like dolphin too nice. Me no know. Amir don't think so. Hello Amir. Hi. You will love shark? I gotta try it then. I gotta try it. I know, right? It was caught by accident. And then they eat it. God. Hi, Nix. You eat Ben. Hi, Reds. Hi. Especially if you're fried. Oh, wow. All right, I will keep that in mind. I will keep that in mind. Ohio. Hi. Speed recover. Hola. Ooh, oh my God, guys, it's here. Oh, thank you. so much. Jesus. Guys. Okay. Let's Una ready for this? Let's go. Oh my god, I am dead. I'm done. What is going on? The food is here. Here we have our potatoes. Thank you so much. You could just put it there. Have our potatoes and our veg, sweet plantain that look like a whole heap of plantain. And look on the fish here. Jesus Christ. Guys, we're gonna here till 12 o'clock. We're gonna be here until 12 o'clock. They did you right. I know, right? Oh my gosh. Wow, screenshot. Screenshot. Wow. Me can't even fit. Me can't even fit, guys. Hold on. Hold on. Me have to move around everything. The table too small. Emmanuel, you're right on time. Wow, you don't say. Happy New Year, Emmanuel. Oh, baby, wagwan. This should be fun, right? Wow, I was not expecting this. All right. Let me fix that plate here. Oh my God. You don't know how much money they think that they are supposed to eat this. Yeah. Okay. Wow. 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 Thank you, sweet stuff, son. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Right? Guys, let's dive into it. Let us dive into it. You don't say, why are you guys like this? Happy Sunday. All right, let's try the plantains. Yo, the plant just melt when I'm in my mouth immediately. Sweet. Sweet. So sweet and soft. Oh my God. They did right. They did right. All right, let's try the fish. Oh shit. Knife and everything off a drop. It looks so good. Let's try it. Wanna see the steam? Wow. 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 It is the freshness for me. You know when like you just catch the fish and it is so fresh and me can't say them go light on the seasoning. Sometimes fish not feel be too over seasoning, so it was very light. Me taste like the you don't know what kind of season them use, but like maybe fish seasoning or seafood seasoning. Oh my guys, oh, you know what some of this? And the outside it is the perfect crunch. Yo, thank you. You need to catch a flight, definitely. Bang bang, nice. Texas, nice bad. Thank you for the thumbs up. Wanna see the steam? Fresh off the pot. Big up Puerto Rico. Amazing. Amazing. They did good. They did good. It's the plantains for me though. Yes. God is good. Thank you, Jesus. Limit. Limit. What is everyone having for dinner? Let's try the potatoes. Ooh. Soft and buttery. Soft and buttery. Potatoes. It is so good. I love it. Any sauce, them cook it down in them win. I'm not telling lie, I'm glad I give the chicken a rest. I'm glad I give the chicken a rest. No joke. Thank you for the thumbs up. Do you speak Portuguese? I wish I did. No, I don't. It is so good. It is so good. Greg, that is a good question. I think it goes in my locks and my energy. You're vegan, so you would have the plantains. Plantains for you, and the potatoes and the veggies. Lorraine, hi. I believe you. I believe you. And I have a lot. But I did a good one with this. How fat it be? It's a lot of meat. I mean, I tear it up. Tear it up. Your husband's here in Jamaica. Colin, thank you. Plantain. Ripe. Sweet plantain. So sweet. So everyone, okay. I will. You love fish and banana? Okay. I have a lot. Guys, look. You want to see how much food they give me? Look how much food I have left. Look here. Much food. Plantains. Look how much food. Never gonna bring one the rest of this. Wow. Food for days. Right. What you say? Yo, that get it. Yo, that get it. Yo, that get it planting. You don't like fish? That's fine. It is a lot. It is a lot. I love what they do with the potatoes though. No, it's not spicy. Thank you, Cyber. I don't know. You in Puerto Rico? I feel like I'm in Puerto Rico. No, I'm not. Try fish with the lemon? Ooh, I've never done that. Let me try it. Hold on. Let me try that. Try and fish with the lemon. Wow. So nobody could tell me this from long time. So when I really see the lime, I said nobody not tell me this. That's crazy. Oh no, this have to stop. Why didn't anybody tell me this before? Oh my gosh. Guys. I love it. I see them snapper bone here. Long. You have to be careful. Fried fish. We're at what type of fish? It is snapper. Red snapper. We're at Zocolo Fish Market and Grill. Yeah, Florida. Who eat fish head? I'll murder this right now. No new friends. Who ever tried fish and mustard? Alaya. Is it good? Do you like it? Try it. It is so good. Guys, remember, so no day I know. But me get carried away sometime. You ever try chicken sandwich with pickle on it? Is that is the plans for tonight? I know plans. Hey Kenneth, well. How you doing, guys? See fish eye, yeah? You know what they say about the fish eye? I'll eat tartar sauce, but it's not a must for me. Burger sound good right now. Nobody know. Hi. Oh. No, your friends, you said what? Fish eye. Jamaica. You need some hot sauce? I'm not big on like spicy food. Like put additional spicy sauce or hot sauce on my food. Not big on that. If it come spicy as it is, then that's fine. Hey, thank you. You wanna go Elsha? Elsha, yeah. Fish eye. Cheer it up. Cheer it up. Leave. Big up yourself, Leanne. Hola. fish head. Just a skeleton frame at the head left. Tear up that. Tear that up. I mean, I like fish that tastes good. Where the napkins at? Me have them. I'm eating red snapper. Fried red snapper. You're having the same? Oh wow. Ooh. Wow. Anybody? Like thumbs up the live. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Guys, we're doing good. We're already done. We're already done one side of the fish. Ready for the next side, you know. Oh yeah. What am I eating? Red snapper. Fried. It's delicious. I'm from Jamaica. I'm ready to go up on the other side right now, you know. Tear me, I tear this up. Believe. A long time I didn't want fish that tastes so good. Greetings from Germany. Okay. Guys, we're international. International. Done your friends. Thank you. All right, let's flip the fish. No, I'm not in Dominican Republic. That's it. I'm getting on an airplane and get red snapper. I love it. I'm at, I'm in Florida. Snapper, it is so good. Thank you, Hermit. Yeah, that's actually my real name. Antoinette. Oh. Plantains. Wow. It is America. It is America. You love chicken. I love chicken too. Chicken is literally my favorite of all time. But I've been here before and you can't go wrong. They have the best fried snapper to me that I've tried here. And they also have a Franco have one. They also have a fish market. So you can even get like octopus. You can get all of different things. Sea bass, snapper, hi. It is so good. Chicken tenders. It's huge. And this is just half. I already eat down half it already. The best snappers at Dungever. Really? I've never had Dungever snapper before. I say no new friends. Help. Captain Buggy. Where are you from? I'm from Jamaica. How much a place like that costs in Jamaica? $5 million. Thank you. Thank you for the likes, guys. Wow. Wow. You're from Brazil. So many people from Brazil watching. Guys, I'm gonna pack up now. The rest of this, I bring home because as you can see, I have an early dinner. So early. So when I actually dinner time, I can get to eat the rest. Take one more than plan. Once again, thank you guys so much for taking the time out and hanging out with me for another Sunday dinner chit and chat. I appreciate you guys. Miss Big up on yourself. Bye, Ben. Pay attention on your first day back to school tomorrow. I see the pepper. Yes, the pepper is here. One pepper. I know, right? Thank you. Big up yourself, Polly. Everybody enjoy your Sunday. Box up the rest of this. What am I eating? Fish. Half I mash up already. Fried snapper. Red snapper. They have the potatoes stewed on with raw veg. And of course the plantains. Yum, yum, yum. And juice. Yeah. Oh, watch Rebecca, man. Newlywed. Respect on your friends, big up yourself. I appreciate you. Now wait on the waitress or somebody to come out so I can get to ask them for a box. Is there any other so-called wife is well seasoned that tastes great? It's like any other so-called white fish. When seasoned, it tastes great. When just seasoned with pepper and salt, it doesn't have. Yeah, Alma Joe, you're a chef. You're a chef. It does look like fried chicken for sure. Based on the outer coating, it does look like fried chicken. But if you never see the shape of the fish, you would have think because them fried this down well good. Well good. Thank you. Let me have to go in there. I don't want to leave my food out just and turn me back going there. So now I wait till somebody come out. It was great, right? I cook for my family. Oh, wonderful. And my wife has been working abroad for years. And now my daily activities are fishing and relaxing. Life is fabulous. Fabulous. Oh my God. Pick up yourself music. Thank you, Tasha. Have a blessed. Do you enjoy steak? I do like steak, but I will choose chicken over steak. I will choose chicken over fish. I will choose chicken over sugar drink. We are not gonna do that. We are not gonna bring up the rice porridge here. Mia, hi. We're not going to bring the rice porridge here, please. Thank you. I did put up a video about the rice porridge and one piece of something. True. We're not doing that limit, okay? Guys, it look like they have to go in there because the people they now come out for now. They now come out. They have to go down. Thank you guys. I have to go in there.
Yeah. Give me my phone.
Let's go in there and ask them. You know, watch me do everything, you know, so you can't stay there. I not left, you know. Hello, can I get a to-go box? Yes, thank you. Just one, yes, thank you. Thank you, appreciate it. All right, guys, we get the box. I like this. And this is why they separated. I don't know. I don't know. I can't answer that. I don't really know. I don't think so deep. Plantains. No, I have to finish the rest of my dinner. I have to finish the rest of my dinner. It was so good though. I really did enjoy it. Wanna see my to-go plate? Let me show you. Look there. It looks like a brand new. It looks like me just get this. Look there. Wow. Thank you for the thumbs up. It look like say me just get this. I lie. It look like me not eat nothing yet. Right? Right, I didn't eat nothing. Clearly, I didn't eat anything. This is what you call a good meal. I still have juice left too. But yeah, we are done. That's it. Time to go. So let me show you the place, guys. That's the name of the place. Yeah, and grill. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, the food, delicious. That snapper was so fresh and flavorful. I enjoyed it all. And plantain, so sweet and soft, melt in your mouth. But yeah, that is it for today. This was fun. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, pick up on yourself. Make sure to have a nice, fabulous Sunday dinner. I hear 2 meat. Thank you, Admiral. Big up yourself as a chef. As a chef. Everybody, remember say it is a new year, so with this year, make sure so you take the time to do a little more things that you enjoy doing. You know, it don't have to be anything big or anything like that. Just do any little thing that you enjoy doing. We put a smile on your face, we bring you joy, you know. Always remember to give God thanks, be thankful, pray, and yeah, keep positive in everything, okay? Big up on yourself. Love and love and love. Bye.